History and culture, the Jazz Age and its music. In the Roaring Twenties, a new era of music took the world by storm, the Jazz Age. New Orleans was its birthplace, where musicians gathered to play their unique tunes. Our story begins with Louis Armstrong, a young trumpet player, eager to make his mark on the jazz scene. As we follow Louis, he stumbles upon a jazz club filled with laughter, music, and the sweet scent of BBQ corn. The people inside were jamming to a tune that made them dance as if possessed. Inspired, Louis decides to join the band. Louis quickly became a sensation, and the band started to tour across the country. One night, they performed at a ballroom filled with the elite of society. People danced the Charleston as Louis played a beautiful solo. The Jazz Age was not just about the music, it was also about breaking barriers and bringing people together. As Louis traveled across the country, he played for people of all races and backgrounds. This made him a symbol of unity during a divided time. Thou horseu undivide. By the mid-20s, the Jazz Age had spread across the nation, and every household had a radio. People would gather around to listen to their favorite jazz musicians play on the radio. This new form of entertainment brought people closer together during this exciting time. As the Jazz Age continued, new musicians emerged with their unique sound. Duke Ellington and his orchestra became one of the most popular bands of the time. Their music was complex and told stories through the notes they played. Jazz music was not just for listening, it was also for dancing. The Charleston became the most popular dance of the Jazz Age. People would gather at nightclubs to dance and enjoy the music. As the Jazz Age came to an end, many people looked back fondly on the memories they made during this exciting time. The music, dance, and friendship that characterized the era will never be forgotten. Years after the Jazz Age ended, Louis Armstrong remained one of the most influential jazz musicians of all time. He continued to inspire new generations of musicians and kept the spirit of the Jazz Age alive. Today, people can still experience the magic of the Jazz Age by listening to its music. The songs of Louis Armstrong and other jazz musicians continue to inspire new generations to express themselves through music. The legacy of the Jazz Age lives on, and its impact can still be felt today. People continue to dance, sing, and create music inspired by this era. The music will never fade away as long as people keep listening and dancing to its rhythm. The Jazz Age was a time of excitement, innovation, and unity. The music brought people together and created lasting memories. As we look back on this era, let us remember the joy and freedom that the Jazz Age embodied and continue to inspire new generations through its music.